In this video, I'll show you how to import your students from a spreadsheet step by step. Go to Students, Admin, Import. Download the template. The only required fields are first name, last name, and grade level. And grade levels must be abbreviated as follows. The remaining fields are pretty self-explanatory, like email, phone number, and address. However, if you would like to have a more detailed explanation, there is a link to the documentation in the description of this video. Once your file is complete, save the file as a CSV and drag it here. If there's an error, none of the students will be imported. You will also get a spreadsheet that shows you exactly what the problem is. In this example, the student's grade level is spelled out instead of being a number, and that's an easy fix. If there are no errors, then you will see this green text letting you know that the students were imported. Thank you for watching. If you need any assistance, please contact our support team. We're happy to help you every step of the way.